So my mum needed to tell me to delete it because I couldn't send it to YouTube because some hackers might watch this and they might hack my Roblox account, so that's why I deleted it. And I'm videoing it on my phone, and this is my new iPad. I don't mean pad or iPad, I meant FirePad. And I had an update, but something weird something sad had happened to my pad. So I accidentally pushed some Coca-Cola, and the Coca-Cola went into my pad plug, and I was really worried that if I turn it on, my pad explode. But now it's okay. And when that happened, it had an update somehow. And it even shows my deleted things. Oh yeah, and I also downloaded 2 apps called PlanetCraft, Minecraft 3D with capital S ... and Worldcraft 3D Build and Craft with skins Expo ... And I do have a different Red Ball 4 to my nanny's old iPad. So let me just show you that one. So it's different, see? It's different. Yeah, and see? We have 2 extra chapters. Yeah, and look, 5 full. Yeah, weird. Yeah, and we can also change our ball, and it's different controls to my nanny's. And you see? Look, it's different. Weird, isn't it? And look, the pause is there. And look, it's not the numbers. It's the star level. And that's it. Like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video.